Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for study abroad with Experience International, full guide step by step clearly. To register for study abroad with Experience International, begin by visiting the official Experience International website. Navigate to the Study Abroad section on the homepage. Review the various programs offered to find one that aligns with your academic and personal goals. Once you have selected a program, click on it to access detailed information. Thoroughly read through the program details, including dates, costs, and eligibility requirements. If you are ready to proceed, locate the Apply Now button on the program page. Click the button to start the application process. You will need to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill out the required personal information to set up your account. Once your account has been created, log in to access the application form. Complete the application form by providing all requested information. This may include your academic background, personal statements, and preferred destinations. After filling out the application, review it carefully for any errors or missing information. Once you are satisfied with your application, submit it through the platform. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of your application submission. Following this, you will receive details about the next steps in the process. Be prepared to submit additional documents, such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. If required, schedule an interview with an experienced international advisor. Your advisor will provide further guidance and answer any questions you may have. After your application has been reviewed, await acceptance into the program. Upon acceptance, you will receive instructions on how to proceed with enrollment. Make sure to pay any necessary fees by the specified deadline. Once everything is complete, start preparing for your journey abroad. Engage with pre-departure orientation sessions to ensure a smooth transition. You are now ready to embark on an enriching study abroad experience with Experience International. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.